Hi everybody, it's that time of the month again. Time to dive in and take a look at the Potomac Beads treasure box for January. So those who don't know what this is a monthly subscription box available from Potomac Beads. They do have two different types of boxes. This is the treasure box, so it is a curated collection of beads. And the other type that they do is a kit box, which comes with 3 projects and the materials and instructions to make those 3 projects. They're different prices. I'll put a link in the description so that you can go and look at that and see all the different options. I believe like if you get a longer subscription, it's cheaper. So anyway, I'll put a link so you can look at all of that. So first of all, in my envelope, I got this little postcard from them with a little discount code. And they also sent me this Athena cast metal sample. So here is a pretty leaf that they have sent. Looks like it's enameled, you know, very pretty. I love their Athena cast stuff. Is really nice quality. Okay, so let's take a look at January's box. And okay, so this is the theme for January, Fireside Warmth. And here is the little blurb that tells you about it. And on the back, you will find all the items that are included in the box, which you can see is a good amount. These boxes are really good value for money, by the way. I have looked before, you know, tried to look things up on the website, and it is very good value. What you get in the box is worth more than the box. More than what you pay for it is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick look. So it looks like we've got some nice warm neutral colors, but we do have some green here. This is really pretty colors. Okay, I'm going to take everything out and we'll come back and take a detailed look. Okay, so here is everything laid out for you to see, and it's such a beautiful, like, earthy palette. I just love this. It's I love that they've included a bit of green. It's not just warm colors. It has that little bit of green just to kind of break it up. Beautiful, beautiful selection this month. I really like it. Okay, so let's take a quick look. So up in the corner we have here some Superduos, and these are the opaque red Picasso colors. So they're kind of red with like blotchy brownish bits on them. So very pretty color. Then we have some Czech Round Beads 4mm, which are these, and they are in Garnet. So these are also known as drooks. They're just glass beads, just little rounds. So we've got a good number of those. As you can see, everything here we get a pretty good quantity of. Here we have some RounDuo beads in jet bronze. So RounDuos have 2 holes going through them. I'll try and show you if I can get the angle just right. Let's see. Can I? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, they have 2 parallel holes that go through to the other side, so they can hold in place, you know, different things. So most of you are familiar with the RounDuos. So they're 5mm round, and you get 75 of those. So that's the jet bronze. Okay. Here we have some Czech faceted rounds, 16mm, and these are called crystal yellow. So they're half clear and half yellow. And it's a real subtle color of yellow, and it does look like the yellow is a coating that is kind of mirrored, I guess. Either that or they're just really shiny, but yeah, very pretty, nice, delicate color. I like those a lot. Okay, Here is something a little bit different. We're getting 10 3mm crystal chatons, and these are in the color called Chili. So it's kind of like a topaz, like a dark topaz color, kind of brownish color. So these are teeny tiny, and you're probably thinking, what are we supposed to do with those? Well, on this side over here, we have these Athena cast micro spacer bead links, which you can, join them together with jump rings. So these are to fit into these, and you will just glue them in. So that's what these are for, okay? So if you're wondering, what am I supposed to do with these teeny tiny little things, they are to go into these links. Okay, and then here we have some 2mm crystal bicones, which are in the color Topaz AB. So you can see there on that one a bit of the AB coating. So Topaz AB for that. So you can see that the Chili chaton is a little bit darker than the Topaz. It's like a brownish color, okay, on the chatons. Okay, so here we have some Azuki seed beads, and these are metallic brown iris. Looks like a really nice neutral mix of metallics. And these are pretty good seed beads. Like, I've used them. They seem good. They're maybe not as perfect as Miyuki, but they're perfectly acceptable to use for most seed bead applications. They're certainly more regular than some other brands that I've tried. So, these look really pretty. I'm excited to use these ones. And they're also cheaper than Miyuki, which is nice. Okay, here we have some gemstones. These are fire agate in Peridot, and it's a 15-inch strand, and these are 3mm. So you get a good number of those, and it's always nice to have the kind of natural color variations in the gemstones. I believe these might be dyed, I don't know, but very pretty nonetheless. Okay, here I have some pinch beads, and they are just in a clear color. So pinch beads have kind of 3 sides to them. I'm trying to show you their shape. If you look at the top of my finger, you can kind of see it's like a triangular shape. And they're, like oval from the side, but triangular if you look down the hole. Okay, so you get a strand of those. Here we have some DiscDuos. So they're kind of flat, and they have 2 holes. Hopefully you can see the holes there. Okay, these are 6mm round, and they come in all different colors. This color is called White Champagne Luster, and you get a pack of 50 of those. And I like that. I like this kind of color. It's really pretty. Okay, here we have some Czech glass nugget beads, and they are just kind of organically shaped blobs. This is olivine Picasso, so it's a green with a kind of brown, like brown speckles on it. Okay, so you get 4 of those. Okay, here, well, we've already done the Athena cast links, so we'll just glue your little chaton in, and there you go. All right, these are very pretty. These are some Czech rounds, 3mm round, but they look like they're 4mm. So they're kind of the shape of a fire polish, but they're smooth. And these are the Ancient Gold mix, which is a color mix that has like reds and golds and bronze and, you know, it's like variations of colors. So, you know, you've got some more reddish colors, purplish colors, brownish colors, really pretty. And you get 100 of those, okay? Here I have some Czech Star beads. So that's what they are. They're just a little star. They have a pretty kind of coppery coating looking thing on them. And the hole just runs up and down on them. So you get 4 of those. Very cute for earrings. Then next to that we have our dagger beads, a pack of 20. And these are, oh, I don't know what the color is, a nice soft green, and it looks like they're different sizes. So you can see here, these 2 are longer, and then these are shorter. So it's like 2 different sizes mixed together, okay? And then last but not least here, we have this endless, perfect form endless rings. These are 20 millimeter. They have antique brass color. So these, you get 5 of those. So, you know, you could use the links, your Athena cast links, maybe bead around one of those and then have another one. You can make a kind of cool thing with that. I think there's potential there. Anyway, I just really love the colors, and a lot of these beads are like the more expensive beads, you know, the RounDuos, the DiscDuos. Like a lot of these are expensive beads, so this is really good value that I'm seeing here, and the color mix is so inspiring and pretty and just perfect for, you know, snuggling up during this time of the year. So anyway, that's the Fireside Warmth box. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and if you're interested, check out the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.